Okay, cha-cha-cha. Very, very popular dance. Very fun dance. Not necessarily always fast, but that's part of the excitement and part of the allure of the dance is it can be danced to a lot of different things, not just Latin. So a lot of times when you go out dancing, of course you see the Hispanics, the Latinos, they're dancing cha-cha pretty much on the spot, just like this. Not really moving a lot around the room or around the floor. Now this can be confusing to persons who don't understand cha and the proper elements. Notice when we dance this, we are not throwing the body onto the step. She's not lunging backwards and cha-cha-cha or lunging forward. The body stays here. We do move the feet and legs, but we move it from the hip. Rock, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha. So you'll see cha-cha danced a lot like that on the spot. Country western dancers will dance cha-cha on the one beat. So both the social style and the country style tend to break on one. Ballroom dancers are the only ones who dance cha on two. Now why is that? That's because in ballroom we want to emphasize the one beat or the downbeat in the hips and not in the feet. Instead of losing that movement in the 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, we want to hit 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So we want that accent at the end of the cha, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. And that is the only reason why ballroom dancers dance on two. So there you have it, the three pretty much basic styles of cha: social style, country style, and the ballroom Latin style. Practice that, go back and review lesson 1, the basic elements, and part 3 will show you the little eye pattern practice amalgamation.